How to add step counter on your iPhone home and lock screen. Let's get started. First, you will need to get this app Pedometer Plus Plus. So launch your app store and search for the app Pedometer Plus Plus. After app appears, install it. Then you will need to launch it and set it up. Firstly, provide access in the settings. Then set it up. After you do that, you can head over to your home screen. Now press anywhere on the screen. Click on the option Edit given at the top left. Select the option Add Widget. Now from this list, find the app Pedometer Plus Plus. Clicking on it, you're gonna find different options. Scroll to the right and select Step Completion. Just click on it and it will be added to your home screen. Once it has been added to the home screen, click on Done. Now let's add it to the lock screen. Swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Press and hold on your lock screen and select the option Customize. Select lock screen. Click on the option Add Widget. Now from this list, select Pedometer Plus Plus. Now from the options available, select the one that you want to add to your lock screen. Just click on it and it will be added. So this is how you can easily add step counter on your iPhone lock and home screen. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.